Hi, today I'm going to do the Pineapple Pussyfoot cocktail. This is using the ingredients that P&O use in their Pussyfoot cocktail on board. It's a little bit different to the classic Pussyfoot recipe, so I've been dabbling a bit because I haven't actually had the pineapple version that they do. So what you'll need is some lemonade or lemon and limeade, so 7-Up that kind of thing, or Sprite works really well with this, but I've just got normal cheap lemonade. Pineapple juice, fresh pineapple juice, orange juice, Grenadine. Grenadine is a syrup, originally pomegranate, but you can get sort of berry sorts, and the Monin one is sort of mixed berry. And I've also got half a lime that I'm going to use in this one as well. I don't think P&O use lime, but I think it brings a little extra. You'll need a large glass filled with ice, so a hurricane glass is what I like to use, just filled up with ice there. So we're actually going to start with the pineapple juice, and you need 3 shots of pineapple juice. So try not to get this wrong like I did in the 180 cooler. That's 2, that's a double, oops, spilling it everywhere. And 1 that side. Oops, making quite a mess. And that's with the tray. There we go. So 3 pineapple, 2 orange, and this is where I'm going to squeeze my lime in, so I've just cut them into quarters and just squeeze half lime juice in. You can leave the lime juice out if you wish, if you don't like it that sharp. I'm a real fan of lime. So, where is it? And then we're going to top up with the lemonade. Really refreshing, this one. Bit of a take on a tequila sunrise, which is why I add the lime. And then we want a new bottle of syrup. So this Grenadine is the syrup that gives that lovely glow. I'm hoping this is going to work. It doesn't always work. You want about just over half a shot of Grenadine. Oops. And you just want to gently pour it in. You'll see it starts to do that. Oh, that's not too bad. Not too bad. Gives that lovely sunset look to your drink. And then pop in a paper straw. It just makes it a bit easier to drink. And there we have it. It is the Pineapple Pussyfoot cocktail from P&O.